Are you planning a trip to Amsterdam and looking to book Hotel van de Vijsel? Let us show you around this gorgeous and very cool boutique hotel in the heart of the city. Hotel van de Vijsel is a unique building as it used to be a timber business owned by the Vijsel family that has now been converted into a modern hotel that honors its past. Throughout the building, you'll find 19th century vintage details, including original solid wooden beams and ceilings, and the whole place feels very well done and modern. The hotel is set over 3 floors and is a great base to explore the city. It's situated at the end of a fairly busy road and is just a 5-minute walk to the famous Vondel Park and 5 minutes from the buzzy area of Leidseplein, where there's plenty of restaurants and bars. It's a 25-minute scenic walk to Dam Square and about 35 to Central Station or an 18-minute tram ride. Overall, we loved this location. It isn't super central, but there's plenty around the hotel, and Amsterdam is very easy to get around, whether that be by foot, bicycle, or tram. We stayed at Hotel van de Vijsel for 3 nights and booked a comfort double room for around $200 per night. Our room was situated at the back end of the hotel, which felt much bigger than we expected as space really is a premium in Amsterdam. The hotel has some steep staircases to use, but there are elevators too for those with limited mobility or lots of baggage. It's light and bright and has some really cool details that add to the hotel's appeal. As we mentioned, our room was at the far end of the hotel on the top floor, so it was nice and quiet, and overall, we were impressed with the size, the cleanliness, and how modern it was. Hotels are not cheap in Amsterdam, so for a mid-level price, we were more than satisfied. The room was bigger than we expected, and highlighted by our big, comfy king bed that we slept very well in. Just like the rest of the hotel, we loved the rustic wood elements mixed with modern touches, like our huge flat-screen TV and the Bluetooth speaker that was a nice surprise. The facilities were good too, with a coffee machine, kettle, mugs, and complimentary tea and coffee sachets, a safe, a rail to hang our clothes, and this balcony that we shared with 4 other rooms but pretty much had to ourselves. There are enough plugs dotted around, and the bed setup is good with plugs, light switches, and bedside tables. The bathroom was super impressive too, and felt modern and very clean. It came well stocked with an array of products, as well as a hairdryer and lots of clean towels that were refreshed daily. The shower was excellent too, so we couldn't really fault the bathroom. The modern and bright kitchen dining area is also a big plus, featuring a large coffee machine, an honesty bar, and plenty of tables and chairs. We didn't make use of it during our stay, but it seemed like a nice place to chill out and grab a drink and a bite to eat. Overall, we think this hotel is superb value for money considering all of its facilities and its prime location. Our room lacked a bit of storage and felt a bit dark in the entrance area, but apart from that, we were very impressed and would definitely stay again. The staff were also super friendly and helpful, and the hotel had a nice, safe feel to it. If you're looking for a solid hotel in Amsterdam, we would definitely recommend Hotel van de Vijsel. Thanks for watching this hotel review. We hope you found this useful and you have a great trip to Amsterdam. Please hit like and subscribe to our channel for more hotel reviews and travel content. Also follow us on social media for more travel videos. Thanks again. See you next time.